Hi, my name is Peter, and in this video, we're going to talk about how to set up direct callback. So one of the greatest features of a contact center that I think of as a customer, as an experience from a customer side, is to have direct callback. If I call in to my GP's office, it will say, hey, it's 45 minutes before it's your turn, right? Press 1 and we'll call you back whenever it's your turn. I don't have to wait on the phone for a miracle to happen and for some CSR to actually pick up the phone, right? This is an amazing service. So how do I set that up? In this case, we go to we already set up a work stream, right? We set up a work stream, we have a voice work stream, we have the channel attached to it, we have the queue attached to it, in this case, my support queue, and then callback, direct callback is inside of the overflow handling. Now, mind, for this to work, you do have to have set up unified routing, right? So underneath routing, you'll find unified routing, that has to be turned on. Now, I can set the overflow handling to, in this case, when, for example, my customer waiting in the queue exceeds, let's say there's 10 people in the queue, or I can say, for example, right, I can say direct callback, or I can say, well, I also want to say when the average wait time is over 20 minutes, then I want to offer direct callback. You can also do that on the average waiting time in the queue. So this is the average waiting time before it hits the queue. And this is when the waiting time in the queue. So this is not the average waiting time, this is the actual waiting time in the queue exceeds. Mind with the average waiting time, this is obviously not too accurate. You can do that, but it is an average, so it could be faster, it could be slower, right? Mind that that is not the same as this one, which is an accurate amount of numbers or minutes in this case. Now mind, direct callback uses 2 automated messages, and you can customize those, and we'll show you that in a different video. By default, it will say something like, hey, the current wait times are longer than expected. If you want to have a callback, press 1 or continue to wait for the next available representative. The second notification, also customizable, that will, when the customer presses 1, it will play, hey, you have requested a callback. We will call you back as soon as representative is available. Goodbye. Now mind, before it is offered, these callbacks, your caller obviously has to have an identifiable number. So the direct callback in this case does not ask your contact for a number to call back on, right? If you want to do something like that, we will make a video on that in the advanced topics, where we create a little bot that can absolutely do that. The out-of-the-box functionality just offers callback when it has your number. Now mind, if people call in from a main office number, right, this is not really great, right? So please tailor your message or say, hey, we're going to call you back on this number. Do stuff like that to make that journey easy for your customers and to manage expectations, if you will. All in all, really great effort, of the team, and really a great addition to the user experience. Now mind, this calling outbound to your customer is obviously going to incur your minutes, right? It's going to incur minutes for your company because you are the one calling outbound to your customer. However, it is absolutely worth it. Before it will call out, the agent will get the message presented to them, will have all of the profile information already on screen before the customer even picks up the phone. So absolutely, well, if they get connected, right? Absolutely a great experience.